Welcome to Study Loop.
Here we want to find the limits in spherical coordinates of the solid shown. So for spherical coordinates, we have to recall that we have rho, theta, and then phi, where rho is going to be basically the radius, theta is going to be the angle that is formed along the x and y axis, and then phi is the angle that's formed from the z-axis. So for rho, we want to look at the radii. So notice that here we have on the x-axis a radius of 1. That's this smaller circle and part of our sphere. So we know that for x, that x is going to start from 1, and it goes to a radius of 2 here. So x goes from 1 to 2, which shows that is our rho limits. So we know rho is going from 1 to 2 here because those are the two radii that fill up this space here. Next, we need the theta. So that is the angle that is formed that goes around in the xy axis. So notice that it starts, for instance, right here, and then it goes around and rotates until it meets this axis here. So notice there's only one quadrant missing, which means that for our theta, we know that theta is going to start from 0, because that's the angle it's starting from, and it's going to go to where we have 3/4 of our quadrants filled, which is going to represent 3 pi divided by 2. And then lastly, we have our phi. So phi is the angle that again starts on the z-axis. So obviously phi is going to start at 0, but phi ranges from 0 to pi. But here we only go from the z-axis down to where it touches the y-axis here. So we're only going half of pi. So we're going to have phi goes from 0 to pi over 2.